Effortless. Everything is effortless. Doing any of this in an EV is not something I had thought about or was on my bingo card for 2025 in India at least.
I have sat in an off-road vehicle, but I have personally never had this kind of experience before, and man, this is a game changer and a life changer for me.
Honestly, it's so controlled, it's so calculated, and it's so easy to do stuff with the Harrier EV that it doesn't scare me.
It looks daunting from the outside, but if you get behind the wheel, all the raft of driver aids and electronic nannies coming into control and take care of mistakes if ever there are.
Harrier EV actually balanced itself really well. I did not feel a lot of fear, to be honest. From the outside, it looked a bit that I would feel discombobulated, but it was quite fun.
I was like completely up there and I was like, ground does seem closer on this side. It should not be the case. But it was. And I was okay at the end of it because I was like, that inspires confidence. It's like, okay, you're safe, you can chill here if you want, build a tent, I can put 1.5 tons on my head.
The 540-degree view, which makes the underbody of the car transparent, for people like me who've not been into off-road, man, it's a game changer. A lot of tuned cars need to watch out when you're out on the road because this car can gap you most of the times.
If the Harrier EV was a person, it would be an absolute mixture. You know, like maybe like superheroes, maybe a bit like Tony Stark, a bit naughty, and a millionaire by day. But when there's trouble, you quickly get into your Iron Man suit and poof, let's save the world.
Doesn't know how to say no, deletes impossible, is always up for anything, no road even better. If someone's not done something, I'll do it first. So yeah, always fully charged up, juiced up, ready to go. Let's go.